Hi there. When we made our last video, we never expected to face a pandemic just weeks later. So, given how quickly this coronavirus exploded on the world stage, being afraid is not surprising. Fear, however, can be managed. It's natural to worry about our health and those we love, the hit on our wallets, how much the world is going to change like it did after 9/11, and so much more. Pandemics erupt and then disappear, even when the world doesn't know what to do. There have been a bunch of them, each from different bugs. Read about the Black Death if you've got a strong stomach. We're now seeing a brand new version of a coronavirus, so our immune systems don't know what to do. The oldest are being hit hardest, especially if they're already ill. It spreads easily, even by people who have no symptoms. By the way, it's called a coronavirus because pictures of it make it look like a thorny crown. Versions of this virus have been here before. The swine flu in 2009 and the deadly flu of World War I. Censors only allowed newspapers to write of the flu hitting neutral countries, like Spain, when the king got very sick. Spanish influenza may have killed as many as 100 million around the world. 100 million people. In 1917, they didn't recognize and then stop the virus. It's very different today. Governments are responding massively and telling people ways to stop it. Eventually, people will believe it's serious and act accordingly. This virus originated in Wuhan, China, in a U.S. election year, so there's a political flavor out there. That's not helping, nor that it's a flu. Not all viruses are the same. Some are more dangerous than others. Some target the young, others the old. Viruses are invisible, so it's smart to be really careful. An easy thing is to avoid groups, at least for now. The good news is that it's not too bad for most who get infected. The bad news is that it has killed far too many and spreads easily, so it will take a while to get under control. There is no vaccine yet. Researchers are scrambling to develop one and drugs to help the suffering. You can't casually turn off fear, and there's always a but. There are things you can do instead of sitting and worrying. Plan and do things to protect from this pandemic and also get other things done. Take care of yourself mentally, physically, and spiritually. Eat healthy, get enough sleep, exercise. That's good advice, even without a pandemic. Relax a bit. Call family and friends. Just don't visit them unless you have to. Wash your hands. Flushing the virus down the drain is an easy thing to do. Do the small things and keep yourself safe. If you're working from home, consider yourself lucky. If the kids are there, enjoy them. Then teach them that social distancing is not that big a deal. Adults know sacrifice is price. Children don't. If you've lost your job, I feel for you. I've been there myself. Let me remind you though, it won't be forever. We've dealt with the Black Death, Spanish influenza, the swine and bird flus, and more. 2003 gave us SARS. Today's coronavirus is related to it, and that's very good news because research on SARS is helping develop test treatment and vaccines now. President Franklin Roosevelt said, "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself." I don't know if I completely agree. Fear can be debilitating. Doing something useful is better. By the way, the father of medicine, Hippocrates of Kos, lived 2,400 years ago, and we remember him in the word pandemic. It has two Greek words, pan, meaning all, and demos, meaning people. All people. Everyone. We are all in this together with tools unimagined by him. Heck, by me. I still think this is a telephone. This pandemic will go away. People will develop immunities. There will be vaccines. We'll be better prepared for the next time. Together. I'd like to honor all those on the front lines, those who work keeping things going, and the many who are essential yet almost invisible. They're all heroes. In fact, anyone who works to help this damn virus is a hero. God bless you. I am Mike for the Be More Better team. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Please comment, like, follow, all the rest. Subscribe if you haven't. But always, always be more better. Body, mind, and spirit. And then be even more better when you overcome your fear and help others to do so that we together will end this outbreak. Can't say I enjoyed this, but it seemed necessary. Hope you agree. Until the next one. Bye now. Thank you.